Hey guys, welcome to Cook So Gay. I'm John.
I'm Darius.
And we're showing you how we make our cranberry sauce for Thanksgiving. So I got a bag of cranberries and I put 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of apple cider, zest from 2 oranges, the juice from one of the oranges, about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a couple grates of fresh nutmeg, just a couple grates because it's super powerful. The longer you cook the cranberries, the thicker it gets. And you can see some of these have popped open and some of them are still whole. So the longer you cook the cranberries, the thicker the sauce gets. And once this cooks down to where we like it, we're going to show you our super duper secret ingredient that makes everybody go nuts over it. And we, believe it or not, there's never anything left of the cranberry sauce at our Thanksgiving dinner table. So we will be back in a few. All right, so this is looking pretty thick. I mean, actually, it's going to get thicker as it cools, which is nice. But our secret ingredient that drives everybody crazy is a pint of blueberries. You want to put these in last because you don't want them to cook up too much, but it gives it like a bruised look. You can mix any berries with your cranberries. You can mix strawberries or raspberries, or as my friend Jimmy always says, you can mix up all your berries with your dingleberries. But this is going to cool down and thicken up. And I hope you give it a try. Everyone's going to love it and enjoy your Thanksgiving holiday.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye. So here's your cranberry / blueberry sauce chilled. And it's ready to eat. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it. Everybody that does this loves it. And we love you and have a good holiday.
Happy Thanksgiving.